Hello to my wonderful listeners. One Family TV wale mutanale nan kotenche. Mbadiŋolu MPP partiyo mu dulati me ye lon ko abe kandirinde imu dammati me ye lon ko wañarol be kerin kuma kaŋo dollade me ye lon ko mbe audio nin tala mba natilal yenande ani ikafo me ko Bob Keita afana mu moti me ye lon ko afintita de ani president Adama Barrow tema ay kuma kaŋo doltade me ye lon ko Bob Keita aya fode ala interview goto de me ye lon ko a diyamuta de ani modo fana be jede me ye lon ko fana fintita diyamuta ka tande ko nim patio me alon ko wala mu MPP patrioti ako itolle moti me alon ko la hido menke ima ka nyama de banko dungol tala ke tora bo se kuma ko men alon ko yol fo banko dungol imo kol ka nyama de me alon ko addiya muta wala de oto mbadi ngol mbeni audio tala mbe natilal yenande ne lamayani hakilola mbadi ngol kane ilamo ani jusola de
na baba yala we always remind them amanke comme ça nka fole comme si fatam fansu ko de no itolle politiko ke wo nyama. That's why we always remind them ndanga memfo I'm not here to support UDP ndum man na janto break anyone time to nyanta ka wol ninda nyaay to nyaaje be to nyaala fola nimme wo to nya appreciate atute bulo ko je ni ma appreciate atute bulo ko je momo na jeri nyaale yo wala campagne o ke jang nali karta wotala mamma be boyla baro be UDP bankota UDP mo mandi ka patiyolti yamal la fi sila sain NPP me ye bankota fulol ye fasa because jang fulol nin sarakulol wolle majority jang in 2021 ka NPP fasa man sarakulol londe ko man ta sarakul sata wold barintol fulol sain ngaji ben fangol fe ni atara UDP le bentol tora kan o GD NPP le bentol tora kan atudan tol fulol bulo kono katu ngalo nyim palasol men bebe katika marsa o kono palasol men bebe tinya kam marsa o kono ni atara palasi kebelem tan sayobe mu fulol la palasol let nyim mol men bebe bay kam be do kono wafirola ni atara palasi kemelem palasi tan sayobe mu fulol la palasol let fulol la ka bananol wafi nyin silo kanja fulol la ka pomol wafi nyin silol kanja fulol la ka everything wafi nyin silo kanja nyini men be kle yata nyin silo kanja be mu fulol let sain jumalen tol tora nga kartaw fa meye wolen tol tora bang fonko mem mun jawoti wolen tol tora ya muta nyame molki jabi wala and I always remind them for that heaven and earth yem promise wala nale kartaw fa yine lota janna mole kelo sifa be reke jang nte bunta wo kelo ko do mo jelle yente kele jang in 2020 me yalon ko mbadi ngol nin signol le because of NPP la ko mbadi ngol nin signol because of NPP la ko e ko be mano natile ibe kurango natile ibe jio natile ite tora la sain jumale be tora kan UDP le be hana tara UDP le man sayata non tanga mira majiki mem manya membe kere UDP be hanyela manya kel bayo ko ni UDP man sayata be fulol tora la bara fulol be toro ko no le bide adama baro man sayata baro matin la fulol le khayro soto de ni tata marso to fulol le la palasol be khatikan ni tata be do ko no fulol le la palasol be khatikan je iti tan sata wol to yokuro traje ite jio tar la je ite mano tar la je no nothing development so that's mean that they should be aware for 2026 momo nata na sata wol kono ka foko nale karto fay kariye nin kariye bankota abal toralal mbe ko men kele lay mare be o jele nyalal nim ma fa ala nala kila kom ñim fula banol men ya lon koy ka dende mol la lasilo lay ke fanke fulol ti wato e manke fulalti imam fellom fulo kuto imam fulal la adalo imam fulol la ciosani lo imam bala faso to fulol e imam promoso to fulol e ni be ku kele ñin 2026 ni ala kiti tala ibinale be momo lota political field e filo ko iketa any party wo party mutina whether you are GDC or NPP or UDP kata mol la sata wol kono e ka fo mole ko nin kara jol man sata be e bal toro lan be ku kele la je mbe bute la je la fo ila mitin dula fo be rol fayle kam ngol to be bute kele la je ila dende ka farari ngol ni wolle be fintila ko korda ko we are no more taking that nonsense no more ni be politico kele be civilized politique le kera bare ka fo ko ka siol ku yandi jam because of ila own interest kan we are no more taking it no more mantara taka sai abe fulol bulo kono je ha niata baro e fulol dakandi fulol yalone niata baro e fulol tora fulol yalone bari ngalon ko da e toral de ameda handi nta fat jallo so sede yanol ko fulol baro me nafa fennat tous barol man fulol nafa wal fulol le yake baro e bay baro ma ka fulole tous ama wala ke mole tapas ama wala
ngo dol bele nyim palaso la baro ye employ nyim palaso la ibe hey chief ni dani dukara kanati na ngadiamu de ngamen long alla NPP ngamen long NPP kono asiyata de ngamen long ngamen nuko asiya batal ngamen long ngamen nuko asiya batal hani nyin campaign West Coast Council la campaign ni yaji jama filta ni yaji jama boyta man ato mandin ko le kafo nyaadi yemo sikandi fosante ko ka duma le jibe wala be kerin nko wala be kerin nu ndela kanslo ya mente bondi ñom musolle kanti ka foko baro ye fulol da male selek yalo mune nal me dey nte kata men ya aftante la election ole ka fonyo ko ite da madama be carte fayli bari menu yete bambo dol ka foko ye ko dole min dimon lay man son ka ko do finti ndinte alhamdulillah rabbil alamin alhamdulillah rabbil alamin nte dalas baro ko do dina ka campaign kala bari nte la women mobilize ala nyinin ka ba ala nyinin ka nte na ko do ke damen so be diam le ka foko al nata place nyino la place o ya tara al NPP ya tara to place o bentol bulu NPP ya tara place o bentol bulu misa gasa man nyinin ka national assembly member juma len tati a ente title andu hanisa ente be do ko wo do ko len te bondi gambien tata dula do to so woto nal be diam la al malal be diam la nyame ala da soro mal mume fode comme like nol ba fekaka comme like même den tela audio dia dilir ka ana ben texta ka fanya ko sister you are there for your selfish interest nte manke wo moti man duma jënda jaan si pax man dama xam kuma doon man kenn duma merlo kenn duma won suma bopate man kenn duma tek si place dama am suma place man NPP dama dunda du NPP dama dunda NPP dafa fekk ma ngi dunda te daf ma bay ma ngi dunda di nga bala president Barrow di am presidential dafa fekk juduna be ma wara am li ma am te hey ni baluwo kono alay me momen la ñini jongo ka be kelale nte wala tina ni mol be la wewe la nte kan deele mo
so membe woto ali o kuma kangol ali la ndikarala ha ka fo ko mi lay ka telephone lo tal boyta molle atel saba askeno molle atel fanan saba MPP kono molle kata kol ke MPP kono ka tambelti ha mo jama bije mina lon kol fanay la kata kol ke le ka tambelti barol mon place ñini walla e place o ñini telephone am fota kan ni imagine Gambia kun kansulo men lota MPP la karola seta bakel mo men lota MPP la député ala seta bakel hani soma wol man do ko so hani de be constituency men kon hani soma man do ko so MPP kon ha barabe mu ñari wobe abe politiko ke kan namana moy ka fo comme like a côté ninten kansulo men fanal lota hani soma wol fanan ini MPP be do ko MPP ko ku ni dabiji bar hani so ma fo ni namanan si ka fo en ko comme lagi tella mo lu ñu tan tellal namana moy galla ma fo de bar telle ma moy ma fenke so membe woto atel fanan dam mamallo ha mo be la diminda ni koy bo sikale ba kile fo dam mantat moro adi mo be shalal ando la ñun kuma kawol de asatin la alla wodol fo tel la ka fo comme lagi han next election ya tel londi ci karso dial bi ko sal diam tal yal moy ando al diam tam men al men diam tel la interest o kan al diam dal fo la interest on so membe o dal ñanda hakilotul ni Amadou ni te ko te be resign la MPP because of ite man place o le sot ite ma fo be resign la MPP because of ite development o le ñini la wodo e ma sotono ye lafta ma ko ñin tiñare karne ñi be la wodo ko no ya central government la bundal ko ngone ka mesona pour ko ma ko ro ke i wol man keno ni to ko te be resign la o kan ka fo ko mi lagi te ku ngola place o moro o jakulo gay man jakulo ko jara o jakulo wartal ala tira la ko mo ñi revise de ali muru koma because al diam da karo men na jan nim be ko mbole fengela ka fo ko mi lagi president baro ñantal pour que place o dimbela moro president baro de place o di la ñimbela ha bari ni kam man sa so bor hannate me ma koy direct bara si ma koy no indirect hannate la support man di la direct bara si di la indirect la yo bari be kana mira ka fo ko mi lagi mo be kala fenti wala di mo be kala place ti wala di mo be kala millionnaire la di mo be kala tine do mo la de hanede o te ken wala hadama di abena harjole molle botan political party do kunun inata MPP ko ne place so karanal be MPP momam fin di men complaint because hadama di la harjo dam may kawle dum alay harjo ke lawd le fo so dum ali ngad limani ya so dum na son mol kon wala simbe ma koy ha nimbe de place so no surtout atele place so le fa parede because ite lo ta council yal ye kro di tele te campaign ok ha so iman gagné molle bije mina lon ko mo opportunity fonction alta primary lete wol lusta wol munyata kan yini campaign ke ala man nete ganyen je ite ka fo ko min laki do tombon ye place o di wala ite be findile be complain la wol yete fanan tombo wato men ni do fanan finda complain da koy manyane to mana because ite ateta MPP kono le so ateta campaign ke leten yamere mi talal moro
bali yu ara ko ngal kon ton ko teke nawodi fulanjango be kala muneti yu ara ko jawara sanji tansaba sanji lolu ya jamme sanji mo anin fula yu ara ni manta opposition bara la jele sayinde URR di wolle be funti kanka political party kutollo URR man sameni tambita ja URR o man sal normale fo alayla watoba momo mu URR di woti dinkendoti alunga mbulo di nyola alay man sayanyin dinna nga bata menke mamanyole bata menke mfamanyole bata menke mbay musol ni binkinyole bata menke ote kala ken sentide bari URR din kurungolu wolle fele be funti kan sanyi alay man saya membonde afango bala kanati yuarari ulbe man saya le keleka pro kanana ja nga kibar jama soto nga yu ari ardi jama soto kibaro may ibena pati lola wallahi hana kata pati wuli kilin neto gambia bankoka president baro be tambela 2026 inshallah no matter what ala yu ari fempe mu yu ardin kurwoti ima yu kanu ime fango kanu ime dingol kanu ime rasama kanal be pati yolondi en televisa bari be pati be URR mbabe welcome la bunda be yeleri momo laftana la MPP nga bunda yelele momo fana lafta pati yolo ila pati yolo bani sasi gambia kata nyineti momo minimata isikulu ama ABC kala ul belebe pati yolo la sani nga molu je lafta pati yolo la on han ABCD imakara President Baro Abaraka Commander in Chief Abaraka hana dantanyina annene man soto dunia bankolka moye mira ko abay patilola hari ABCD hari tiba hana to ata safenola mfele ngaje sain ye pati register URR di wolemu annene man tay sukul o mu bo sababeleti inene man tay sukul fa iko be pati lola dol fana mi jol man ka URR dinti iko be pati lola inene man tay sukul ale gambia di atare ba URR man sayamu nemoleti na mamanyol nim famanyol nim binkinyole bata min keja motena la kawtinyaja ala te sonna aluntel URR din kendol men bija alunga mbulo di nyola ba ngana di wol fasa ngana sama fasa ngado ko toto alabul ku sike 2026 ibelala le kafu ala bekeri yala man la ko ala bekeri bari belala la ibe ndor tar la jan oto mbesi hakilotu URR dingo besi nyimira man sa yame yalon kan ta yuari falindi ro men kata yuara bayni be jalne fala falindi ro men kata yuara mo men nyabe o letem yuara dingole itele fa kaw man sare bondin teluko ndol fala si bolate mari non political party o be nyaadu yuara le o manke political kuti sayne o mo hasidiyalete o mi besen ko yalete bari i kungol kan yuara dingol albena kibarol moy la nyato mome yalon ko be yayla banko nyin kay be fankala comme MPP i manque MPP di bi fere yela pati yolon andi benal kanne URR musolu altel dum al fanan dingolu ye kara alla dingol la karamu atel la bajola alla dingol la lansu atel la bajola alla dingol la ferfato atel la bajola yo man sa ya futata atel la URR bankoka al URR dingol men yalon ko nafatela imam fenna fe fangola ma fenna famola wolle bena wulla sani ko be ni man sa ya bondi la URR kam so la bataka 15 75 to 79% wole musotu men ka carte fay so URR musolu aluba far alkala momo jia alkala momo danko parti president Baro Kabriana ta MPP Kabriana ta menke alunyale bala amanka jifa kono fentide parce que ni kono di mola bakala jifa kono par president Baro menke URR ay menke Gambia hana almandula ko teji alunyabe URR la oto modo siwli kwate ba fambambula URR koma e president Baro koma biya ko bena fanson pati olola URR musol tebula la wono ma ngawlone lata wala le komisaya oto ñin kumo dantan ne be muldro kana kalu kala mutandi umina la kafo ani giroba musol na la kafo ani marianon melbe sir Gambia ye musol mel futu Gambia on fana na kafo wolle ni nañu regional committee e mitino soto regional governor office oto manse jankunda kana kala mutandi ko umina la kafo musu tan sabanin fe ibotana UDP inata MPP wo giroba kundankol fana musu kebe sama me yalon ko inata ibe man na bar men hapona ini listo men nata musu kebe sama le giroba kunda sate o be giroba kunda sate mume kompino membe wala mun kompini bati olle fana mbota GDC kana MPP National People Party mariangol fempembe sir Gambia banko kay Gambia dingol le futu ol fana mbele kafta kata gulu regional office pour kata karifo keje ka foko iye bintu banta muta kototi itel fana nata Mike MPP muni atina itata regional governor ya parce que jeman ke political party nte lap bureau janjantale be do kuke kansani amanka governor ya dabula nyin kokono na mol le tataje na bureau be do kukane ye bureau be janjande base be le wolo oto palasiti je ibe ta dame ngoyta governor la banta ba kono mbele kanyanta je parce que governor be mobe leja oto kamala mobe salo wonya ala barka bake piarolu ala barka ngala announcement o moye ala barka bake groba kundankolu man se jang kundankolu e mane kundankolu ani base malewol men be siri Gambia musol futuja ngal fanan tentu ngalu jayi ngal nimbara bari inshallah bene programme de dalale nakata nyawo nyama al beba mo bari jando be kala Gambia musol yu aran musol al fundi ali nyim musol ali welcome inata kafu ateluma kaluma koy alla do ko assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Then anyway, for us, we are going to sue the government because number one, it is the states that falsely accused me of rape. They charged me for rape, and they brought in 10 witnesses, and all the 10 witnesses women being out of court. They all hearsay, and the same state, bring a bill doing the same state let a court of appeal. The state, that is the Minister of Justice, it had a court of appeal, yet now building revoked through the court of appeal. You understand? Then I went and sit in prison for 1 year, 8 months. The same state brought in 10 witnesses. None of the witnesses can link me to that crime. The same state now, now what we are going to do, now we are going to file for a DNA, which that DNA should have done from the starting of the case, because when you are taking someone for criminal case, you should have all your evidences. So it never started now. That's where they ended. So they wasted my visa to US. They wasted my reputation. Up to today, people are calling me rapist. Up to today, people are bullying me. Up to today, I lost my contract with big institutions. Oh, business of Ansa and Fire Protect. It's almost collapsed, thanks to my new business that I just started. So when I explained this to him, and he helped me. You understand? Amanta Central Bank Korota, he helped me as President Adama Barrow to Boubacar Keita, and which I appreciated. You understand? Then when I came, I asked my lawyers to write, and they wrote a letter. We still have, I can show you that later. My lawyers wrote the letter to the minister, that is Daura Jallow right now, to the Minister of Justice. Kaitandi Loko, our client went through this and this and this and this, and we are looking for this compensation, at which they promised that they will get back to us. So after 2 years of writing between them and my lawyer, the ministry finally came and sent a letter, and they said, oh, they cannot compensate it because the compensation of a bad precedent, because it is not them, the ministry, that actually take me to the court. Sorry, to mile 2, but it was the courts. So my lawyers want to reply. Can I reply? Because number one, any civilized country can manage around the world. In Melvin, the case, yeah, you understand? Melvin sued them, and he won fair job and fair major. Borala didn't say no. So court man see dunia kona emochika isamba on prison. It is the state. The state coming for Minister of Justice through Bafujeng. I can name them. These people, feminists or many, they are so angry. They are sitting at that place that use their influence You understand?
So you feel ko feminist only
the minister of name for them, those Bafu Jeng and others. They were the one that wrote that recommendation that I should be charged for rape.
But did you see the recommendation?
I saw it. What are you talking about? I saw it. Okay. How will they take you to court if you don't see your own recommendation?
No, I mean, whether are you talking about Koya Samba at the embassy?
No, I'm not talking about that. What I'm talking about, when the police investigation for a parent in a case, they will take the file to the police. To Minister of Justice for advice. So this is where Minister of Justice, this is where they make the mistake. Because the police did not even charge me for rape. The police charged me for defilement with the ex-boyfriend. So what the police said is, I was going to be charged for defilement together with the boy. And the police recommended us to do the DNA. Whoever the father is for that child should be charged for rape. But you know what they did surprisingly? The state, you're born in Bondi jail. And they charge Boketa because I'm Boketa, they charge me for rape. So sometimes when I'm angry and I talk about certain things, it's not because of Bob Mansut Namudo Mela Sirinja Kalanta Kumofala. Bob Amsutra I was disappointed.
Ni adama baro mo ki murtani kata ID card masun sama murtani Gabon. Mune atin atol fananta wille bang aliyeta ko ni enquête alfani alla mol kija aliyeta momin nanka mo be murtani gambe dun aliyado alfani wol be safi ba yadi mil aliya nyini alfani nyini gambia no opposition party lan kayina fali mol kam fali kew fon action adama baro manyi chat ko nga fa kartin adama baro talala ni adama karon na talala de gambia dingol forres in be kala gambe opposition party ko do balbe alman fola alfani alla kullo de security police wol wirindi yeta ifaneta murtani o Gabon itaje ni dun ta dada letaje in security alfani wol ko kisikis alfana kisikis foto keno lo bang ha alfani wol bele detail ta gambe dun ndamale ñol momin nan ko gambe ngalon adama mo kurya kurde ni tapale la e dun da dal nga bule no maji al nga jiro no ma nga bule no maji dun soko nga bule no maji mfana nga bule no ma Gabon mon min be Gabon al nyaaji le kata Gabon di wolta kata je Senegal min lunto be kata ko do ta ka di wala kati sa do pirinde ka foy al naaji al na findi ko gambe di fondol dambal ma nyolomba sa fondol mon min be Gambia fa mo mi ni Gambia amunde san Gambia la fa kala mo million worol sa Gambia bari Gambia la population mo million saba sa mo li kana bantre ba kana mo tare ban ko mi yalla mo Gambia di longo to je Gabon di atul an mol be Gabon mo min baadol be Gabon al dambale nyolon al je ko le ale nyini kaba ya fadi na fi kyamin kado san Gambia be siri nyabala Gambelo nyima kuru kan simunal alkame no ko senda ba UDP man ko alkol le kon ba al ngata be ko lele man ko le kubeta ko minge mo nyima ko minge ne nyima min sotalier de sad ya bari ko do be je fam mo ni kayra mol ko no mo kendol be je billahi wala kal ton kon ha siyo man ko kon ye UDP ko senda ba kon mo kendol bal ko no le billahi wala al sutura mo kendol wonata UDP jam fala wonata man ko jam fala wonata Gambia jam fala ha billahi man ko le kayra bal ka siyoli e siyel nyinya bar nyinya don ga nafiko nyinya don ga kurgo wala be nyin kondenti an jabi adun dan tema ni adama baro ha ka siyel kam fandi nyo kamma ka siyol kam fandi man ngol kamma kaman ngol bay place oda ka fulal cencen nan kana ke sambaje fula kendol be kerna fula kendol al nyaba la ko be tamaka fula kendol al nyabalal de bar fula katatol min kam de sekumbala nyolu hamadi ba nyolu wol yaali min be keri nafiki yaala min be keri nyabala be dering ada man dar ke ka fulani man ni gol temat yaya jemba ko bi nati nyala bo wa pari janne man kayra soddo ni jolal tem hani jolal mi ni ka sanawa so bu bakata be ni to ba ni jolal man la nyola ni jolal man nyokanu hani bi jolal be keri min yalan ko woli man ni ko ni ne yolla daje batala munama nyinti man ni ko le nyinya palaso de mobe ya ko be ke ijen keta ni to nya fo ko malla fintal adam bodo disemta bol ja kante man ni ko malla fulol la palaso ye to nya fay to nya wulango ya fay man ni ko le kengi ya sindi palaso akama man din ko lati ay namuna man ni ko jamfa man ni ko le to nya fay ko hani albe man ni kala ke kanka adam bodo ka mol ki fonyi ikata ka foyen ko ndor ka yaya jambe kele ala tagiranti yalla ka minga gambe diwol bar usenda bana la UDP o ka kela la jola yalla bara ala lo mansoti ala ko ala sa kayre ka adama baroy gambe di wulal ko ala sa kayre ka adama baroy bang adam baro ka mol ki fonyi kol ya aka fa no UDP kol nata al yabu mbere di wala ba alfana adama baro hanne Usain Dabo ba hanne Usain Dabo e mun kela adam baro mangina ko Usain Dabo la billah adam baro mangina ko tini Usain Dabo la esan billah mangina ko Usain Dabo jam fa adam baro foka Usain Dabo ko foni ngamo e fatan tade baade dula adam baro mun nyinti ba hanne Usain Dabo mun ko ketela adam baro Usain Dabo latna fo sanjululo ne atara jam fa mantere to Usain Dabo le futande sanjululo bari le jam fa miyano ya city ye ko le sono molta ye de duku ye dal bulandi le ko ye kololta yadi le ye duku wala yatinna ndesan hanne Usain Dabo o keta minti don aketa dron ndesan wala kayro mi ngani ye gambel luwa ngata wala bar billah wala adam baro be nyobu nakkido nga nyofa bar adam tabole place to sanji sabola atabola adamo paratal bar na fikolu kutun kandol fasikolu wol ba frango Usain Dabo la sab Usain Dabo man fenge fo constitution gambel lu bani adama kata forotino Usain Dabo ya mimpulana denu yemur ye resign ina murna UDP yita ye karalo ndo sona hani nata hani nyankumo ni nyepetol be carte fayne sama nilo na carte bar adama ko no atamalla fo kayro se wala ko non singa tabake lodi sinje minje adama barata kele kayrate sinje minje wula ko ne sewo famo wati sakote adama ngata be ko le billahi be ko la ngata.
You know about what these people do to me, and then the way they wanted to destroy my life. Because I know a lot that a lot of Gambians don't know, but I don't decide to talk about it. But Bob, say, for example, the president when Yimbeki, Muna, I be would so sorely pura canala fila. Like, no, $10,000 deal. Mumialo a diplomatic passport dealer. As what? Is it ambassador at large? No, as business executive. Okay, so I will be a dealer. That means the person is supporting. No, you might understand. Between me and the president, I can tell you this for free. The president personally likes me. Because the president interact Jamaliki. He likes me. But the main problem that the president tema mole mendo DJ birinko akanata tatamla. This is the only problem. And it's not I'm not cutting phone. It's not about him. You know, with all honesty, it's even for no barola. You know, even when I'm angry, I say things. You understand? The president sit in good time. He's kind. But when he's angry, he can say whatever things he wants to say. So the problem with president, it's not about those things. My problem with the president is when I did that interview. When I said he should not go for that term. This is where among I don't believe it's him. This is where I believe there are people, many of them go, Iba Balale. Who is your suspect? I don't no. But I believe Iba Balale. Itareka ko nyindi nimero ndo bokera yeme mako dum ko do jang yawna ali bin president bo ko do dintela none of them ni sabali woni mul min be ka diam none of them were there. It is me, the president, and one of my friend. And what was said in that meeting amanjara de city tereto mo fanya in president meeting in our conversation you know there's a conversation and then there's a confrontation. Yes. That phone diamoni is not a private conversation that I leaked to the public. That was a confrontation. A confrontation can be private. No, but if you confront me, talking, you even said it here as the head of state, and you say certain thing, I'm going to be fighting. I'm 34, Buba. I'm not 50. So you were scared? I was scared. But you still, published it on Facebook. Yes, because prior to our arrest, I have an intel that when this thing was mentioned, they said he should be taken to mile 2. So be needed to go, I don't know, there's a proverb. Yeah, there's a proverb about that. Yeah. So, but between me and the president, we don't have any problem. My only problem with the president is when I speak that he should not go for that term. So this is where I believe the model tata balakafai ko boketa ko manyana kata that term la. And then that warrant for and that call was only for the third term issue. That call was not for anything. I just want to make that clear. Because when the president spoke to me, the first thing he told me, that was the first. So I knew that discourse on them discourse. This is what makes him so angry, and then he come after me. But apart from that, it's nothing personal. Adium friendly. Adium Baba is my friend. We used to move. You understand? Ask you not that, but for me, even if you are my father, you threaten me or come. I feel threatened. You understand? But there's nothing more, nothing less than this. So in 10,000 kumi mekega, amanke kwa ketale because of sabal kafanyame, kontra business of boita. That's not true. sabal birabe secretary general yala ndene sabal mitanyam birabe secretary general yala because being a moy Africa abe story do na rekan that's not true. That's not the way I know him. I knew Sabali when he was a secretary general. That time GRTS la MD was this guy Lamin Manga.
Oh, Lamin, yeah.
Lamin Manga. So I was selling fire extinguishers. So I was doing that marketing for GRTS. For many years, they couldn't buy it. So now I want to meet Jamme. But I'm going to give you the fire extinguishers. So when I give you those fire extinguishers, maybe he might see it on news, something like that. So this is when I made that extinguisher donation to GRTS, and then I think the president saw it, and then he contacted Lamin Manga. Those days, 2014. Then I was supposed to meet with the president. Darfur State House, President Jamedi. Darfur State House, he was busy. That time Sabal was the Secretary General. So they linked me to him. Then Sabal you understand? But for Sabali to sit on TV, Kafako, intel business of boy, president intel business of within the I 10,000. That's not true. But 10,000 did nyama for malo. And I didn't nyama for malo. So what I'm clearing it out to every Gambian jack. That 10,000 was not given because Sabali for nyame. And that 10,000 man stop. Come even $10,000 did a member. That was a help. Prior to the president had also $10,000. But I was just
$10,000 basically was to uplift you.
Yes, no. It's just okay. Before that, more than go phone ke bob kete ka ma koy.
No, but what I'm saying, but it's different from $10,000 is more than $700,000.
Yeah, no. At that time it was around 600,000. This was 3 years ago. This is not now.
600,000.
This was in 20.
So how many more than that kodo dealer like individual person?
Okay. So I need to radio kodo intala bi. Because you have feel like when you help needle. Ni left no cook or maybe so much nyanta ka feel for manya nafle.
No, I'm not saying koi manya nafle. What I'm saying is like what Sabali said ko. Okay, I deal a procure business only year one. And you said ko briefing that you were having a lot of issues because you business all running in a partner. President Koyeko, this is my contribution. So it's true that he was helping you put your
but I have a context man.
But that's what Sabali is saying.
No, but what Sabali is saying, I don't even have a life. I don't even have a business running. When I was in prison for 2 years, I still maintain my 10 staffs and I'm paying them behind bars. I'm not promoting myself, but those who know me, come Jalika Jufol, Model, Billing Kersering, where I was before, Kersering, where I was. I did not go to university, but company created to help myself. So it's because of the state. The state charges, this rape charges, no business will be a setback. And the president knew that because prior to this, he knew what I was doing. So when I came out after 2 years to meet with him, and I told him, well, in minister in charge it started in Batembedu's time and Adalaban other side. So it's through this and this and this, and then I lost my visa. Boy, I have 5 years visa to go to America.
Demba, yalonte dumin fole, wala nyinti ko. Ni be sonnante la kumola nyanta funti la le UDP NPP la council lu mini yalan ko be West Coast ye apologize ye la kumo withdraw itele be diamu kan diamu yala mi mambe ya ile diamu na ite fi ibade da kan ba ile diamo abe tinyaro mi wulula West Coast wala be sangara la be min dala je. I can tell you that 100%. I am 100% sure of that. Itele ba tinya kan ndeda madam maninga sotela itele be funti la ye apologize ye la kumo withdraw ibe min fo kan ni NPP council le min be West Coast amam betia de natare te man tara sirin Gambia jam wara man tara West Coast ndol min bi jang tol ngalo ne min be on the ground andu mun be fo kan NPP funding ke min be West Coast on the ground man tara fan je kan NPP man sakunda kono olem di hard fact anda man tara NPP ma koy kan so ni NPP lafta NPP ma koy la ye fere ke ye jibero ke NPP dingol la min be NPP wolam kumoti min mosa fono dan ni te lota bi koy ka dadale nte sa iten dile ko ibati nyakan ko min lata nyunu kan na lata te kan iba folal ati diale ko du namam boyite kan doro ite bukala damage bar ko mi nyunu ka complain ni tele mun walla ati diale ndol man pare ga nde min kadi yamu yeten wallahi billahi taala nde mi NPP leti 100% nde biti lo min to andu man kuje ma fo man kuje ko min bente bondi la NPP NPP nabe fala fana I'm going to be the last person min be bola NPP wo koy tan dal fer ni mol be bola NPP ni be kala last person ti min be bola NPP bari wo nyaaw nya ni la fa patio la silmayal al nga to nya fo nyoy ala fo NPP nya ton ko li kabo kabrin president baro kana fo duma e nyaayele NPP dingolu jibe NPP dingolu mini yalon ko be batakan NPP be bori kan NPP no kan ye jibe ye consider ntol be ngani lonna ko man sakundate mo be kala no kuti man sakundate mo be employ la no man sakundate mo be kilin na ma ko la non mbe ngawolon wo man jari mo ka wo fonni ngawolon man nin gaje dolu be nafa soto kan hannin wo katin le dolu minu ma soto wol se sabarno hako politiko mu nafalti banna ko ha president baro be doku wala le president baro le doku gambia kabrin ko na fokato momo ni manke ngani ya jawiati manke finfintete yalon ne ko president baro be doku wala banko e abe doku wala le banko e gambia e abe doku wala le 100% barabe doku minna NPP dingoli nte de woda satan defele NPP dingolo abe doku minna woli woda sabatan defele ngeta ngoma ka wofo anum dalil jamal be mbulu min yalan ko wol do te folano nyim forum ko bannin sita face to face nza fono
kaberin 2016 iko mole ko coalition government no molbe sabar mbe mo ñare birin 2016 mole campagne yol ka batal ke ntorata mol kasarata the kundingo lost and very important article that during that 2016 campaign limba dunda na bungol kono subalo ndol nin tol ka sena njambur jang ni moto en jindi moto fon buka soto mimbe mol dan na sugol fon kono ka fon na sate fon nka ji faratole nga tamanan do bi jen nin suba le ka kanyang sate kono ja nga tamanan fo jambur jang because motol we are very limited during 2016 ndanga wo kenken ni molle woke but hani bi ntolla life nothing change ndolbe sabarri mo mutafendi bari bi ni ay dol ba fola ye dol leje min ya lon ko it will fanande it will they are more entitled, they deserve more than those people but why ba dire wala it will tuje ni non problème de dembade andu nyimbe folale because aba caring it.
Assalamu alaikum Baro Media Empowerment. Nko alda ngin diamo bulala bitumba. Diamo mo futata men sai audio ya jolondoro wole ko yata. Akatale. Alda ngin diamo bulala bang al dani alay du fatal ngin diamo bula. Albe bala opinion of fukan to nyala mbari. Sai ko mo lafta fatala stage le to amanya la kafuda dani. Ko mo betinga kan al bulo ko no de. Ale MPP kam nyaw nyarndi kuma tiñaru wala ka dula tiña amon koy kumo na tiña ta bukate dano ko renket aka ko yale ay ndia mo bula al nyanta ta duma la le tanyi ko setul je ni mo nyana na la santo al ta duma le ngi ko setul je ba ntela miro ko wala fale tendi amanke ko dia ku yade na miro ko le fale na min tora ye hako boyndi but audio saying abejolo na dro wala ko layata mo buka la fi yet dula kanu yena mu yeti yaro jeji hanide but ninju so tata faabo tati yaro kan kete folo bulu yena si yen misala wa tara so ninju so kan ta doro ko dia mo bulale akana tingale ala baraka baraka ala hako boyndi baake inshallah ni mbata mo kasida ma woni ko kamade mfana abi pati dia pati kanona ma beti so mbelari ngalka alsal hako boy ni baake ala barka ba
ayo demba de mayni mbara ibe kandiri mbake bari ibe sabarlale ibe sabarlalde ko tan ngafo nyamindoro mi lata nyunu kan ngamal lete kan na lata te kan nu tenduni iba jele nyadole nyamat ibe sabarlale ngeni fo weda ibe lala o ite lala bari nsen fo ko ndenga NPP le je patio mi yalan ko abe maralola patio mi yalan ko wo patio la president wala be maralola wo patio dingo na hajo soto man sakunda wulta pour kata wo hajo jara a wulta pour kata la hajo nyini akala political affiliation ni abukala fi yalon ndenga wo je NPP le kono de NPP dingo bi haji to na wo soto man sakunda na tata pour kala wo hajo nyini akala fi nyina kala NPP di ya nu pour ñu kama bulo se la hajo kan because akasila nyina le ko abala hajo nyini kan damin ni alon ko atem NPP ngoleti ita mako ila ata sotola akatara sila nyina ko ate bala hajo nyini kam minu bulu ni woli alon ko atem NPP ngoleti ata sotola so aka wakili nyina bala hajo nyini kan aba fan nu kan pour wo mol kan alon ko atem NPP ngoleti wo mu ku balati patio mi yalan ko wala be mar lol anu ngani min fote ngaaje kene bato mol bi jele min yalan koy dunta wol kono itata dulal to ye la chance traje femme fondi je fo kabrin wo mol yalan ko nyimu NPP ngoleti wala yatin nay fota wo plasol fo le nyanda kala mi yo sabu wala nyandi ko NPP di wol man tara ki position on min yalan ko a mol se mol mako ino doku to wara se mol mako ino kela hajol jara wo ki position on NPP di wol man tara je ni NPP di wol be ki position on ton be NPP di wol mako ilal aro ki position on min yalan ko wolle mol nyande NPP di wol mako ilal wo place o NPP di wol man tara je so ibe NPP di wol mako ino le nyadi yetara NPP no kan yetara bor na president baro no kan ni hajo soto man sakunda ke fannu ibu kala fi wo yalan ko item NPP di wol fo mu kayrol o man ke kayroti